So I put my hair up, then I got the Kylie eyeshadow and used this color to make my outline. Then I got the color changing foundation and I put it all over my face. And sorry that my voice sounds like this, guys. I am really sick and it's gonna sound stupid, but it's okay. Then I just made the outline a little darker and used these two colors for the inner corner of my eyelid. Then I got this really weird green and put it on the rest of the eyelid. Then right over the green, I put this blue on top of it and then did the same to the bottom. Then I did this drip effect with the green and put blue over it as well. Then I got this pinkish reddish lip color to make my big smile. Then I got the black from the Jaclyn Hill palette and made the little screws. Then I got the white paint and put X's on the screws. I just added little details. I went back with the black and then I did my outline darker and I also put some black on the lips. I got my red paint and then I started blending it in with the lips to make it look more realistic and more drippy. Then my sister put eyelashes on me. Then I just made a creepy ripped up t-shirt. Then I was finished and I was laughing at myself because this looks so bad.